Hi, I'm Lindsay with Off Leash K9 Training Charlotte. Today I have Millie. She is a 7-month-old Goldendoodle and she is brand new to our 2-week boarding train program. The owner says that she's a very good dog, of course, and she really is. She's one of those mellow puppies that give her a minute, she's just gonna lay down and look at you. She knows a couple commands: no sit, nose down, no shakes. It's kind of 50-50 with the recall command depending on distractions. Really likes to pull on the leash, especially when the kids are trying to walk her. Still a little bit of unwanted puppy behaviors, mouthing, again pulling on the leash. She likes to pick up shoes, things like that. So I'll show you what I can get Millie to do now. Millie, here. Come here, that's a good girl. Can you sit? Millie, sit. Sit. Millie, sit. Oh, good girl. No, Millie, sit. Sit. No. Millie, sit. Good girl. Sit. Millie, sit. Sit. Millie, sit. Come on, sweetie, sit. Oh, good girl. Down. Oh, good girl, down. Good girl, Millie, come on. So that's what Millie looks like now. It's clear that she nose sit, nose down, doesn't know the stay, gets too confused. Again, this pulling on the leash, even when we're just standing here, she's wanting to pull and get into stuff. So a little bit of those unwanted puppy behaviors. So we look forward to building in all of her obedience, getting her off leash, and showing you her progress in 2 weeks.